studying sea creatures in the classroom. A student at Battery Creek High School is learning hands-on about horseshoe crabs for a project he's doing in his agriculture class.
I'm just going to be taking care of them, feeding them, making sure that the tank and stuff is clean and that they're healthy and safe.
The Coastal Discovery Museum brought the 2-year-old horseshoe crabs to the school for students to research through a program it sponsors called Crabs in the Classroom.
I want my students in Bradley to learn that human impact on the environment has long-lasting effects. And it's the human impact that has made the numbers of horseshoe crabs go down in the 90s, and we're still seeing those effects today.
The junior is excited to be studying the 2 horseshoe crabs up close, but knows his time with the ancient sea creatures is limited.
I hope to learn how they act and stuff. So I'm only going to be in this class for like half a year, and it takes about 10 years for them to get big enough to produce, and 20 years for a full lifespan, so I won't be able to see them that long, but I guess we'll kind of like measure them and stuff, see how big they do get for now.
The agriculture teacher hopes to expand on the horseshoe crab project in the future.
We're going to raise these 2 up and release them into the wild to help with that population and increase the genetic diversity. And then the museum will bring us a clutch of eggs, hopefully once the pandemic is over, and we will hatch those out, care for them, get them through the most vulnerable period of their life, and then release those as well.
Horseshoe crabs are living fossils, meaning they've existed nearly unchanged for at least 445 million years. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.